what do you think is the future of web accessibility? Like, where are we going with web accessibility? What does the future hold for this area in your opinion?
In my opinion, I think accessibility will become something essential, like QA
Mm,
process, like dev process, or security. I think we are already seeing more and more legal pressure around the world related with this topic. And yeah, the people want to have a good user experience using sites. Yeah, this is the correct one. So yeah, I think in and tech advances, people expect more and more inclusive experiences. So related with the point with I think yeah, AI will help a lot. Uh, I think both in detecting issues and suggesting fixes. Um, and I think everything will be very, very fast. But also we still need human control, to, for example, simulate the real world scenarios. And yeah, it's necessary to make the right design decisions. So also, for example, personalization and accessibility, I think are starting to overlap, and things like dark mode, font size adjustment, or content simplification help everyone and will likely become the standard. So people is the expected. I think this is what is going to happen in the future related with accessibility is going to be a expected part. And yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. From what I'm getting of what you said right now, it's like, yeah, it's gonna be more important. Like this legal pressure is gonna grow because of that, because more people are aware of it, and AI is only gonna accelerate that, no? Both in uh, the awareness of accessibility, but also in this implementation and also in making it as this fundamental area as all other areas in web development like QA and things like that. So yeah, I think it's a bright future that you're seeing for accessibility. I agree with you. I hope that's the case too. I don't know if you have anything to add on that regard, Dave.
Yeah. Well, the way in which people is interacting with the internet is changing.
Mm,
Uh, People from our generation are used to open an internet browser, a web browser, enter a search criteria, and start navigating from there. And nowadays, the new generations are starting to have a different behavior. They use artificial intelligence agents for most of their research and navigation even. So they start entering some criterion or prompts in there. So these changes may result on an actual change in the paradigms of how the web is built and also how the information is consumed. So I think that in the near future, we will start to think about accessibility not only for humans, but also for artificial intelligence agents.
mm.
I think that is going to be a very, very interesting topic because we are going to be focused on creating content and creating an experience, not only for humans, but for also those agents, and try to make sure that our content is being ready to be consumed using voice assistants and any other modalities of interaction. So I think that it is going to be a very, very interesting future for the implementation of this in the web.